Mga higala, kumusta na napunta ni ato ang tulumanon matagabi panglantaw sa kagabion. Gagabi wala ta maka live no, gumikan kay piting bisihay ni igsoon daghang kay tagibuhat. So karon mubawi ta. Mga igsoon as kay balo ko nabasa ninyo sa social media, sa Facebook, nga si Basti Duterte nang hagit og sumbagay ni General Torre. Karon kay gisuklan man ni General Torre, wala na, di na nato siya, wala na nagparamdam sa social media. Tanawa ra gining mga Duterte, lahi og isulti karon lahi pod sa sunod. Nya manghagit, mura ba sila og kanang asta sa mga palahubog ba nga magsigpanghagit ba dayon kuan ba mura ba walay breeding no, walay breeding kining mga Duterte. So mo na atong hisgutan karon mga igsuon kining pagpanghagit ni Basti Duterte og sumbagay ni General Torre. Pero sa dili pa nato hisgutan, ato sang i-shout out ng ato ang mga likers, no? Mr. Johnny D. Samonte, Lilian Martinez Tubigon, Kuya Jun Impal Sumiog, Nancy Andam Toledo of Ramon Magsaysay, Rosita Quintosa, Estrella Palir Bacar, Ginalyn G. Martinez, Amy Bunghawan, Maribel Alico Saison, and Fia Luna Flores. So, moto ato ang mga tagasugid ng mga likers at tagasunod. In the ring of the Philippine politics, some pants with policies, others pants with pride. But what happens when a public official dares a general to a fist fight and then disappears when the challenge is met? Tonight, on Panglantaw sa Kagabion, we unravel the curious case of Mayor Basti Duterte. Once fiery and confrontational, now suddenly quiet, and General Nicolas Torre III, who calmly stood his ground. Kung lalaki ka at tubang ako, sumbagay ta. Words that echoed across news reports and social media by Mayor Basti Duterte in a moment of rage challenged General Torre to a fist fight. Not a legal debate, not a formal complaint, but a street-style sumbagay as if the police general were a schoolyard bully and not a respected officer. Pero unsay nahitabo pagkahuman, pagkasukli, paggisuklan ni General Torre, naghilom si Basti. Walay tubag, walay pasidaan, nawagtang nalang kalit. Atong nabasan to adaw Singapore kauban niyang pamilya. Giyon sa manato ni Sabton, a public official challenging a uniformed officer and then retreating when the officer refuses to be bullied. General Torre did not take the bait. He remained calm, professional, and most importantly, unafraid. He said, I serve the public, not political personalities. A reminder to all, ang pulis dili galamay sa politiko. Dili sunod-sunod sa gusto sa mga hari-hari. While Basti threw verbal punches, Torre stood in discipline. While one shouted, the other stayed firm. Under the revised penal code, a challenge to a duel or violent confrontation by a public official can be deemed grave threat or inciting to violence. This was not just unprofessional, it bordered on misconduct. Basti's public image is known for machismo, loudness, and unapologetic bravado. But after the Sumbagay challenge was answered, wala na siya i-update. Walay press release, walay formal case, walay pakita sa katawhan. The boksingero who dared the fight never entered the ring. This silence reveals the emptiness behind the arrogance. The wicked flee, though no one pursues, but the righteous are as bold as a lion. Proverbs chapter 28 verse 1. Was Basti fleeing from accountability, from public ridicule, or worse, from the law itself? Mayor Basti symbolizes the old way. Tough talk, muscle flexing, dynasty politics. General Torre represents the new standard, integrity, service, and quiet courage. When Basti used macho words, Torre used the law. When Basti challenged with fists, Torre responded with facts. And in the eyes of the public, Torre won the fight without even throwing a punch. The law, the people, and the public service. Reminder to all public servants. Your authority comes from the people, not your last name. Your credibility is measured not by volume, but by virtue. Your silence in moments of crisis is a testament or is a statement in itself. Mayor Basti may hide behind silence, but the people remember his challenge, and they also remember his disappearance. In the book of 1 Samuel verse 17, Goliath taunted the Israelites every day. But only when David stepped forward did the real battle begin. Basti may have acted like Goliath, loud, proud, and threatening. But in the end, his bark had no bite, while Torre, like David, stood with calm authority and won. Tonight, let this be the lesson for every Filipino. A true leader does not need fists to lead. A real fighter does not challenge others, then run away. And a public servant must never forget, you serve the people, not your ego. Mayor Basti Duterte challenged a general to a sumbagay. But when the general stood his ground, Basti vanished. He is now the missing boksingero. Not because he lost the fight, but because he never showed up for it. Liwat yun ni si Basti sa iyang papa nga si Rodrigo Duterte. Lahi ang istorya karon, lahi na po unyang tiyon-tiyon. Dayon maayo lang sa istorya, wala sa buhat. Speak up and judge fairly. Defend the rights of the poor and needy. Proverbs 31 verse 9. In this nation, battered by impunity, let us not cheer for those who threaten with fists. Let us stand with those who uphold justice with calm conviction. Kini ang paglantaw sa kagabhion din ang kahayag sa kamatuoran mo dan bisan pa sa kangit-ngit. Ini inyong igsoon, higala, og alagad, Jeremias Labaho Tubigon, nagpahinumdom kanatong tanan sa kanunay. Nga sa atong pagpangandoy og matarong nakatilingban, ang kamatuoran gayod ang atong suka. Ug sa kangit-ngit sa kasaysayan, ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan, ang labing hayag nga paglaom. Fight, General Torre. Daghang kayong salamat mga igsoon. Shout out Ma'am Rosario Ambayik Lanjao. Kumusta naman ka diha sa Bukidnon, ma'am? Gimingaw ng mga teachers nimo. Ini yung alagad sa makausap pamuingon, ang Dios magapanalangin